Oh, how the tables have turned with this weekly test. Hey guys, it's me, SPC Franklin County 373 here, and today I got the day off from school. Well, I'm missing school, but my parents said, "Oh, what the hell? You can stay home from school," and it's a Wednesday, and that's beneficial. So it's a Wednesday, and that means it's weekly test day, and you guys are probably used to the usual. Some readers are on display, some readers are on voice, but that's going to change today.
A combination of dry and windy conditions will create an elevated risk of wildfire spread this afternoon.
Today, we're doing the weekly test a little bit different, or something, I would say, back to the original. We're going to be putting all of my radios on voice. That means they're all going to be activating with loud tones for this required weekly test. And the last time I did this with all radios on voice and all of them were exploding was on May 21st, 2022. A severe thunderstorm warning was issued, EAS number 70. Now we're almost at 170. So, these videos are going to be all on voice again today.
Mild with lows in the upper.
Luckily, they fixed the phone line issue. So, the stations that I will be monitoring today is
Day. Showers in the morning.
KIG 86.
Then showers with a chance of thunderstorm.
KJY 68. What the hell? And WWG37. WW! So, yeah. That's pretty much what's going to be happening today. Now it's almost 11 o'clock, so let's turn these radios on.
Rain showers after midnight.
On goes KIG 86. On goes KJY 68. And on goes WW37, guys. Alright, I'll be back when the weekly test comes. And when everything activates. Ooh. Go. There we go. So this is what it was like. So this is what it was like. KIG 86 Columbus, Ohio. Public warning system. Potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. These signal receivers' performance are usually conducted at the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. In the threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. Normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for the first watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hawken, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Pickaway, and Union. Includes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG 86 Columbus, Ohio. Well,
here is a special weather statement for the following counties: Knox, Ohio. Elevated fire risk this afternoon. Dry and windy conditions will create an elevated risk of fire spread this afternoon into early this evening. Minimum relative humidity values are forecast to drop to 30 to 35% this afternoon.
I still hear some.
such as sustained child
Something's still... Nothing here. Something going on. Something's still... Oh, here we go. Iceland? Alright, yeah, let's clear the Y68. Here we go. Just in time. National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KJY, 68 Chillicothe, Ohio.
Public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and
Damn it.
performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day.
Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location.
This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Fairfield, Fayette,
Okay.
Hocking, Jackson, Chipaway, Pike, Ross, and Vinton. This
I don't know all the
concludes
counties for
Weather
KJY 68
Radio
guys.
Station KJY.
68 Chillicothe, Ohio.
Here is a
Well, ILN is done for, so... Oh! Thanks a lot, WG7. I thought it was pronounced Gaga, but it's Giagua. I'm so stupid. Now I just need to wait for W. Oh, sorry, gotta get the weekly test.
This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for WWG57 for the Central Highway.
Please, yes, the public is Meister.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the net.
I'm sorry, hold on.
When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. A special weather...
Well, the weekly testing is finally done. Weekly testing's finally done, guys. EAS number 163. Making progress. Alright, guys, thank you for watching this required weekly test EAS compilation. And I hope to see you guys later. Bye.